to replace a turn directional rear light bulb. Basically it's the one right here. There's no light at all, the directional light, so that's what I'm replacing. Basically it's just held by 2 plastic clips. Just pop that out right here, which I'm going to do right after, and then we just pull this towards you, and it's just held by I believe it's 2 clips there, plastic clips. Okay, as you can see, there's 2 plastic clips. Just pop it out. See it there? There's 1 and there's 2. Okay, and the next thing you do is just take out the centerpiece, as you can see right there, and then take this one out. Perfect. And you just yank the light out, pull it towards you. What you're going to do is hold this here, right? There's a small wedge there, I guess, opening. And then you want to do is just grab this here on your right hand and pull. There you go. It's out. You can see right there. And here's the clips. They hold by the clip right here, and then here's the clip that go into that hole. Okay, it's 1 top, 1 bottom, and that's what it looks like. Okay, and here is the wire harness for the directional. Would be this one. So just pop that out a little bit and just twist a little bit here. A little dirty there, huh? Alright, I need my right hand, okay? That's what you're doing. Pull it out. There you go, just like that. Let me see. How you doing? Nope, I'm good. Just all done. By Slovenia. It's 3157MA. That's the part number. Got about Advance Auto, about $7. Okay, replace it. Here's the light bulb. All you do is just pull it out from the switch. Okay, the harness. That's all you're doing, and then put the new one in. All right, peace. Nice and easy. I believe this one should be like a dark brown. This one is white, clear white, so it'll be fine. Okay, here we go. Oh, you can see that I think it's burning out. That's why I will replace it. Okay, here's a comparison. Well, even though it's different color, it's fine. You can see there's a double prong. See the metal pieces? They're double prong, so it should match. And it doesn't matter what size it is. Right there. Okay, it's all the same. And this is the old one, this is the new one. Actually, sorry, this is the old, this is the new. So let's replace it right now. You can see this will look like. So just put the new one in, slide right in there, okay? So don't touch it, because I did not take out the negative battery terminal, okay? So don't touch the metal piece. You don't want to get shocked or anything electrocuted. There you go, snaps back on, you can see. Okay, let's go turn on the car to see, make sure it works. It should work. All right. There you go. I think it's working now, right? Okay, and just put it back on. There's a slot there. Okay, you put it in and twist it back. Basically like that. Twist it. Now it's there, so that's all you need to do, okay? Put it in the slot, twist to the right. And that is how you change the light bulb, and now you just put it back in, which, as you can see, this here, go to the groove, through that slot. Let me see. Align it. Just like that. And you push it in. Boom, you're done. Okay, you can see, right back in, and that's it. And then you put the centerpiece back on, put this right there, that's top, that's the bottom, centerpiece, set this back on, and that one there, and then this one here, and push it in, and you're done. That is how you change the light bulb for the directional lights on 2M10 Dodge Caliber. Thanks for watching. Take care. Peace.